Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And of course, as we are now in January 2025, things are getting back to normal. And one of those things is that the updates this month will be back to its Patch Tuesday update next week. And the famous optional updates or the preview updates at the end of the month. These optional updates on Windows 11 24H2 will be bigger this month. We talked about how Windows 11 features are not all turned on. So when we got into the Windows updates and went to the 24H2 update, there was a lot of things that weren't there that were promised at 24H2 at some point. So what's going to happen is that preview update this month will have, that optional update will have some new features. So that means that if, like a lot of people, you just don't care about it, they will appear with the Patch Tuesday updates in February. One of the first updates features that will be changing is the magnifier will have a better way of actually showing up. There will be also a easier and faster way when you go to try to get a new folder going. So if you're in the File Explorer and you want to have a new folder, well, you can right click, there's new, and there's folder up here. But now there's going to be folders going to appear directly here on the right side to make it just like this is what you want. This is probably the first thing you want to do if you anyways click the new option in the folder. So there's going to be a few little things like that that are going to have in here. Also, File Explorer will have several retouches to the tabs, and also the option that is going to be easily chosen for restore previous folders if you want to have specific folders open at the startup. There will be a file sharing option, so now when you want to do a file sharing, it will actually pop up a little window that will want to tell you or ask you, oh, where do you want to share this directly, and better than whatever option you got with the share options when you click on them here. So you'll see that that's going to be a lot better than what's happening right now. There's of course going to be a lot of things that are going to be fixed also. And there's a few little changes, other changes that will be in there at some point also, including a fix for time zones. Apparently some people can't change their time zones. So this is coming later this month, last week of the month, for the optional updates. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.